Nissan Infotainment systems, known as Nissan Connect, manage navigation, audio, and apps in your vehicle. Common problems include freezing screens, black screens, or unresponsiveness, often caused by software glitches or outdated firmware. There are three main types of resets. First, a soft reboot clears temporary glitches without data loss. Hold the power button for 10 seconds or cycle the ignition off and on. Second, a factory reset restores default settings and deletes user data. Access it via Settings System Factory Reset using password 1234 or 000. Always back up your data first. Third, a hard reset for unresponsive black screens involves disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnecting it. Nissan provides over-the-air updates to fix these issues. Keep your system updated through the Nissan app or dealership. For a soft reboot, hold the power button for 10 seconds or cycle the ignition off and back on. For a factory reset, navigate to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset and enter the password. Remember to back up your data first. For a black screen, disconnect the car's battery for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect. If issues persist, especially with older models, dealer intervention might be needed to flash the firmware. Keep firmware updated via the Nissan app, avoid overloading the system with apps, and ensure good ventilation to prevent thermal shutdowns. If you are experiencing a persistent issue, it is best to visit a certified professional to get a diagnostic.